Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto G23 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to this corner on the power key button here on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here, so just fast and correct, and we just unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds. You can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.